Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2020 Kubota BX1880. This tractor is a like new tractor, 243 hours, LA344 Swift Attach Loader, RCK 54-23BX belly mower deck. This tractor is still under factory powertrain warranty until 12/11 of 2025. So engine, transmission, hydraulic system is under warranty until 2025. 243-hour tractor. Very, very nice. We brought this tractor and we serviced it, went through it. We're going to walk you completely around it like we normally do. We're going to run it around, shoot, does everything it's supposed to do. So up front, we're going to go ahead and pull the grill guard out. On these, you're just going to pull back here, open up the hood. These are going to be powered by a Kubota D722 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. And yes, we do our service work here. When you buy something from Mark Supply, we do service it. It's a retail piece. It's 100% serviced. It's not what all the other guys out there say, run through the shop. And I do think there's some guys out there today that their definition of run through the shop, how about it, Matt, is they take it in the front door and they conveniently have a back door and it goes right back through. So there again, that's the difference between some businesses and some others. So hood is in very, very nice condition, very straight, very clean, not dinged or damaged. The cutting edge, excellent condition, original paint everywhere on the bucket. Tires on this tractor are going to be 95%. They are the turf tire. They are a Carlisle Grassmaster. Deck is in beautiful shape. Again, tractor is a like new tractor. Folding ROPS, category 1 3-point hitch, 540 PTO. Top link is here with it. Again, 54-inch deck. We did do, again, full service. It is ready to go to work. Customer ended up just getting a bigger tractor, went to a B series tractor. I'm going to show you here on the dash. So in the 80 series, they've moved this joystick back here, which is a nice thing. We've kind of cleaned up some of the levers, did some different things, which is nice. You still have your forward and reverse pedal. Show you here on the Tach. 243 hours, fuel, tachometer, and temperature gauge. And in the 80 series, the 70 and 80 series, they'd moved the parking brake over here on this side, which was nice also. I'm going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run around, show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. Go ahead and put it in four-wheel drive for you here. And I'm going to back up. I guess I should have to put it in gear first. Backing up, full drive out. So, we just went in low range, full drive. It's out, full drive. Now we're going to go to high range. So there's high range forward. And we'll go ahead and do high range reverse. While we're right here, we're going to go ahead and show you, throw the PTO in. Mower deck's nice and quiet, just like it should be. You can see the gentleman what he was doing. He had back dragged some stuff. There's some paint war on the bottom of the bucket. This is a very nice tractor that still has factory powertrain warranty on it, which is nice. We like stuff like this, nice and clean stuff, ready to sell, ready to go to work. And again, like I said, we do service our stuff. Something we pride ourselves on. The average company does not do that today in the used world. Park brake lock, good safety practice. Always lock your park brake. You can see turn signals all work. The 80 series tractor, very, very nice tractor, very clean. I like how Kubota's done some things on these. The old 60s and 70s were a great tractor. One nice thing Kubota has kept, your 50 series, that started 1850, 2350, they had a plastic hood, plastic fenders, and your 60, 70 series Kubota went to all metal fenders, metal hood. And Kubota's kept that true in the 80 series. A lot of nice upgrades, a lot nicer dash. This was a nice thing, moving that joystick back. I still like the other style myself also. It's all an operator preference today. And I think so many guys out there today get so consumed in everything about all the stuff on these forums, and until you get in the seat and run a piece of equipment, you have no idea. And you can listen to another guy say, oh, those tractors, this isn't any good, buy this. Well, maybe that's his take on it. Maybe that's all the better he knows. Keep that in mind when you're buying a tractor. Don't, and I say that because I do read a lot of this stuff, and it's like, you don't know 100% the other side of that story. And there's generally three stories. There's the other side, and then the truth. And sometimes it depends on how familiar a guy is with a piece of equipment, if he knows anything or has any mechanical skill whatsoever. But come look at a Kubota, try a Kubota. I do believe these are a great tractor. We've sold a lot of them over the years, and as far as them being simple to work on, maintain, and service, you can't beat them. And I'm not knocking any other color, but keep in mind, there's a lot of good Kubota dealers out there, and a lot of areas have a great Kubota dealer, and that's something you want to look for so that you have good parts and service available. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.